OVN. What happened? SDN and OVN is while doing installation, right? Guys, installing during installation, it will ask you what kind of network we can select. So we can select SDN or OVN. So that's what happened for the question. Okay, we can select the SDN means it should be have some internet, and OVN means it should is in private. So this is a type. And same time we have, everyone knows that one, we have discussed the different types of services, SE or VAES services. So what are 4 types of services are available? Can you list out more?
Cluster IP,
Cluster IP,
IP, node port,
node port,
node port,
load balancer,
load
external.
balancer,
and
external
finally
link,
route. We are under discussion.
route,
Edge,
Edge,
pass
edge,
through,
pass through, re-encryption.
encryption.
Do you know a normal method is also the normal one? What is the normal one? What is supposed to do in the normal one? OC expose. OC expose service slash
Service
Service,
name.
service name. Simply clear. You guys got the idea? OC expose service slash service name.
service name.
Okay, cool. Any questions now? No. So what I'm completed? I completed all the route on the day, right? I shown some dummy routes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the routes are
Yeah.
clear. Now I actually discussed today we are going to complete the firewall, and the 50th unit is going to close and go for 60th unit, like migration, backup and update, pipeline, like multiple concepts. Mostly those things are covered there only. In the real time, they're asking mostly that questions only. If you say that, hi, I'm Vasant, I'm holding a 2 years of experience in the last couple of years, I just work in this many areas. Okay, what are the areas you worked on it? Let's say you are talking about user management, how you get the user. I want to talk about user if you, and how you create the groups, and how you can manage the users, what kind of privilege you can give it, or back role based access control. So you also use it, right? OC, admin, policy, okay,
Policy.
like that. So while time of tomorrow 2 o'clock we have an interview drill. So we're going to revise the 5 chapters. Revise the 5 chapter means revision of 5 chapters. We have a lot of interview questions, all things combined together, and you can also question with me. So we can enjoy with questions and answers. So 2 p.m. on tomorrow, get ready. Please be prepared and come with the knowledge, and ensure yourself you took all the printout. Okay. Whatever I shared with you, particularly chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, all the text-based things you should be take the printout, and apart from that, you need to take the entry book as well and cheat sheet. This all should be keep with you guys. Take time tomorrow whole Sunday. You have nearly, if you wake up at example 10 o'clock, 10 to 2, we have nearly 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 hours are there. The 5 hours, try to take the printout with you, my dear friends. Please keep with you and get ready. And you can ask questions with me. I can also give the answers for all your questions. And I'm just ask some more questions. It's like a give and take policy. We can play with that. Okay, get ready. And now we are going to work on the firewall, guys. Firewall. What's my firewall in sense? Yesterday I discussed the firewall or completed or not completed, ma? Any idea? Yesterday I completed or not started? Not yet started?
You started, sir.
You started but not completed.
Yes.
Just started, not
Just you given the intro, sir.
Okay, ma. Firewall is nothing but, see, we have some project, right? So we have some project. This is one project, and followed by this is one project B. So project A and then project B. So what happened in both the case? What happened in both the case? It is going to connect. It's going to connect. What happened? The project A needs to communicate to the project B, and the project B communicates to the project A. It happened. What the project A, project B will have means we have some set of applications. Application 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is another application. Okay, let I take your another one applications. Application 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What happened here? So we have 5 applications. The 5 applications will communicate together. This is what actually will happen. This application means what I mean. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்? Application என்ன சொல்றேங்க? Part 1, part 2, part 3,
Parts.
part 4, and then part 5. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. These all the parts are in communication. How can we know that? The part should have the service. Part க்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? Service இருக்கும்.
Service.
What's the command to check the part?
OC get parts.
parts.
How to check the service?
Ticket, sir.
OC get
Get SPC.
Okay. For here
Yes,
also
sir.
same, right? OC,
Yes,
your
sir.
thoughts.
Sir, in the interview,
And
they will not ask directly, no, sir.
I will tell you. I will tell you.
How
They will
to
ask
check?
you how to stop the communication between namespace. They will ask you this question only. How to stop? Not down. How to stop communicate between namespace. So what it is actually? This is one namespace. What this is actually is another namespace. So we have two namespaces. But okay, these two namespaces. How to stop the communication? What's the question here? How to stop the communication? So actually it will happen. So how come know that is both are communicating using which command? Please make note down using curl command. Curl. Okay, the curl command only helps you to see. If example, I will ensure it the communication. Okay, I want to see the communication of this service. Then I can take the service IP 10.10.10.1 port number is example 8080 means I can ensure it whether it's working or not. Today I can show you how the things are happening. So I'll do it, ma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you noted down, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to clear the screen. Let's see what happened. First we can create some project, ma. Okay. So PRO. What's how to create the project? Was in hyphen?
In new hyphen
Project
project.
name.
New
hyphen
project
name.
Project. What we can take it as? Project network policy.
Project one.
Policy. Project. Project one. Project one is one project. I'm going to create project as well. So what it mean? So project one and project two all are there. So OC project.
Check where you are.
So
Project
you
one
need to
or
deploy one application. OC new hyphen app hyphen name. We can give some name. I can give the same project name. Project one means project one. Okay, I can give another one application easy to run out. So I can take the application called. Where's the application? I'm checking for hello world. This is the image what I'm looking for. Okay, what happened here? It will create an image. Hello world nginx. The image name is called hello world nginx. It's a 4 years old image. 4 years old image. I took this image. Okay, and we can confirm that while application is running or not. OC get box. Let's see here. What happened here?
container creating.
Container creating. Let's see here. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. How you can watch it?
Watch OC get box.
Fantastic. So it's working now. Okay. So I go to next project now. I don't want to confuse you. What's our next project name?
Project
OC
2, sir.
project 2.
So I'm inside the project 2. Are you agreeing with me? Now I replace the
Project
name
2.
to project 2. Are you agreeing with me? Pay attention, pay
Yes.
attention. So I created 2 project and two applications. There's no doubt at all. So you can check the OC, get, pods, in which project?
Hyphen in
Project
project
1.
2.
Project 1. And what is the service? Yes, we see. Sorry. OC get your
Project 2.
project 1. And I want to check the service. Exclusive. What service? The same project. Okay. I want to check for project 2. Why I needed this? Then only I can show you the communication is happening or not. எப்படி நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு இல்ல நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க முடியும். You can see that. Fantastic. Okay, listen, ma. So what happened here? If you see this is a project 1. I took the pod, right? What's this pod name? This pod
Project 1.
will communicate to this application. Yes or no? Because
Yes.
this is a internally. Both are same. Project 1
Same.
and project 1. It will communicate. It will communicate by default. By default, you communicate pannu. ஏன்னா both are the same project. Okay, I go to the another one. This is a project 2, and you can see the service is a project 2. So this also will communicate. This also will communicate by default. Next question is how this is going to communicate between this side to this side. So how we going to discuss? So first I going to show you how communication happening in one side. That example. So confirm that I'm in which project, ma? How to check I'm in which project? எப்படி நான் check பண்ணுவேன்?
OC get,
project.
OC project.
Your OJ is OC project. And which project?
Project.
2.
Project.
So
Project 2.
I take the part of the 2 and I take the service of the 2. எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
2.
Okay. Now I want to get into that one. OC RSH pod name. What's our pod name?
Pod name. Project 2.
Project 2.
Project 2.
What does RSH mean? சொல்லுங்க எல்லாரும்.
To log into
the
pod. To log into the pod.
Get inside the pod. Okay.
Get
Use
into
the curl
inside
command.
the pod.
Okay. Use the curl command. The curl command. What's the service IP?
172.33.
What's the port number?
8080.
8082.
8080.
Enter, and you can get the response. What response you are getting?
Hello world.
So your application is running or not? So the access is or not? So project, that means you are using the same port number and the same port number. So no doubt this one curl used to check your application is working or not. Simple. That is what we are going for it. For example, I replace some bad IP. I don't know this IP address. If I give the wrong IP address, what will happen? What happened? No?
One error.
It is not able to connect to pod.
Yes. So it is not working, right? Oh, let's see here. So now you got a clarity. If the service is able to communicate, means it will able to connect. If the service is not communicate, it is not able to connect. Are you agreeing with me? Any questions here? So now I showed you the same. I took one project. ஒரே ஒரு project எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன். I took one project. In the project, I took one pod. I took one service. I showed you both are in communication. Now what I'm going to do? I took another project. I took another pod. I took another service. Both I'm going to check whether working or not. Shall we do that? So now you understand what I'm trying to do? எல்லாத்துக்கும் கொஞ்சம் புரிய ஆரம்பிக்குதா? புரியுதா? அதமாய்ந்தா? So try to understand it, right?
Yes.
Chinaya.
Yes, sir.
Chepura.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's another one? OC project PROJC Okay, just what I have to do. I check here what other pods are available. OC get pods. OC get service. Now I want to do it for pod for one as well, and service for one as well. Now what I do, OCRSH pod slash pod. What's our pod name actually?
Pod 1.
No.
Project.
Now I'm in actually in which project? I'm the project 2 only.
Part
I'm
two.
the project 2.
Project 2.
But I'm going to curl which one?
Project 1.
Project 1.
Project
Listen
1.
carefully. Listen carefully. Just to pay your attention. I can show you as well by the diagram. Simply just give the enter. Now you see. Now you only tell me what happened here. I took what are things I took here. I took the project 2
Project 2 pod IP.
and I took the project 1
Project 1
service
IP.
and the port number. You can check what service name I took it here, and you can check what pod name I took it here, and you can confirm it. What pod I took here and what are same, right? It start with J. It start with QH. It start with J. So everyone clear? What I'm trying to confirm here? Are you enjoying the session?
Yes, sir.
Here the one question is both parts should be built on same technology. That means both are an engine. Suppose if one is Nginx,
Both are SDN. Both are communication or app on using because of SDN.
That's okay. Suppose it's Nginx, right? Nginx pod, I think. Nginx.
Yeah.
Suppose if it is another one is HTTPD, the communication will happen or not happen. Pod 1 is Nginx
Yes,
and
in
pod 2
video
is
also
HTTPD.
any kind of application, my friend, actually communication will happen.
Yeah, that's my question. Yeah.
Any kind of applications, it will happen.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So now also we are connected to pod 2 only, right?
Now I want to stop it. Your Nyanaveli, your voice is breaking. So now next I will complete it. Then you can ask the question. You can post in the chat window. You can post in the chat window. Your voice is breaking, guys. Your voice is breaking. Do you able to hear what
Yes, exactly.
Nyanaveli, your voice is breaking. So please make note down in meanwhile what commands were used here. Maybe you can get an idea. Now I can show you to create the firewall and how to repeat that. Okay.
Crash ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನನಗೆ.
Guys, you got an idea now? Shall I move on the next? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So what I have to go now? I need to apply the network policy. Then what will happen? I can show you. Before going to do that, I have some. I see I copied everything here, guys. So how to deny all, how to access all, and how to do the curl check, and what is OCP. Like that, lot of things I just applied here. Okay, so meanwhile, even I can give the URL. You can take the URL and copy this, go to your browser, copy and paste it here as well. So you came to know that the post installation network, where is that? Not this one. Not this one. Where is that? Come on. This one. Secure routes. What are the networking things? How you can secure? Let's see whether it's helpful for you or not. Correct. Someone asked me the question. Sarita, you asked me the question, right? Vivek, I'm not able to create a OpenSSL command, right? Sarita, are you there? Left to the chat.
Sarita is not there.
Okay, but she asked the question because this is
Not in the chat.
Okay. Actually, this is an Linux command. This is not like a OpenShift command. It's a Linux command. Okay, you can connect with the help of any kind of Linux command also. Example, I just go to online. Okay, I just go to online. You can create online certificate. Okay, online set generate. Okay, open SSL. You can try that certificate tool generator. You can see it here. You can create it. Now, multiple ways you can create it. Nowadays, everything is online. What you're asking me, you can generate in online. You can give the details here. Okay, what details they're asking? Certificate, common name, CN, country, India. Okay, example.com. They given already the things, right? Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. Okay, I am just in Ozur. If I want to Ozur, okay, so yes, you are. And organization, okay, organization XYZ, anything you can give it. And what algorithm you want? SHA 256, which algorithm we can use it? SHA to more secure. Okay, 256 CSR. Okay, let's see here, ma. Then you have to select what kind of things. Okay, let's click the submit button. What happened? So click OK. And you see your certificate is ready. You want to see that? Hello.
Yes.
Even you can copy paste the certificate. If you have some challenges, you can check in online. All are available now. All is different. Now we can check here. Okay, test.crt. Vi enter. Click it. Simple. What's the command to decode this one? You can check it here as well. Open SSL X509. What's our input? Certificate name, test, -no out, -text. Okay, unable to load the certificate, trust certificate. Actually, this is not worked out. CRT is correct. Spelling is correct. Okay. Maybe this certificate is not working. Begin certificate request. But you can use it for some touching purpose, right? You use a dummy thing. You can create it. No other way. At least if you're even feeling some difficult to create it here, you can use a touch command. What command? Touch command. Touch. I can use it, right? Touch simply you can use it one file and you can create it that as well. That is for Sarita asked the question, I answered it. And also Jnana will ask the question, I answered it.
Sir, even touch command I couldn't use this.
Touch use பண்ண முடியாது. என்ன பிரச்சனைனா பப்ளிக் இது. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா you just go to directly route ma. Console குள்ள போய்ட்டீங்களா? Have you gone to the console?
Yes, sir. Even after getting into the pod, I tried using touch command. Even I couldn't do that. I'm getting error.
Let's see. Maybe
and also I couldn't create any file or directory, any folder. I couldn't do anything.
You just may enter the networking, go to the routes. The route only we have all the things. Maybe create route. Okay, create route you can service. And it will ask you while talking a select secure route click பண்ணா தான் உங்களுக்கு அது கேக்கும். Secure route click பண்ணீங்களா? அப்படி கிளிக் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க காப்பி பேஸ்ட் பண்ணலாமா இங்க பாருங்க. ப்ரௌஸ் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல உங்க ஃபைல் எங்க ப்ரௌஸ் பண்ண ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கான்னு பாருங்க, இல்ல ஃபைலுக்கு செலக்ட் பண்ண முடியுதான்னு பாருங்க. இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is about the edge pass through and re-encryption. You can select secure method.
Re-encryption.
Okay.
செக்யூர் மெத்தட் கிளிக் பண்ணாதான் உங்களுக்கு அது வரும், இல்லைன்னா வராது.
Okay, sir. I'll try that.
ஓகே, none allow all direct. கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க, ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. No issues. This is seriously appreciable. Just work on it. Whether it's working or not, that's not a problem. ரீகால் ஆகுதா, இன்டர்வியூ கிராக் பண்ண முடியுதா, too good. அவ்வளோதான்.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. We move on it. Deny பண்ண காட்டுறேன். Okay, cd output. Okay, cat. Okay, np. So what's the firewall name?
Wait firewall.
Okay, network policies, Vivek firewall, and you know right, AKMS. What's my Ajit Kumar motorcycle specialist? I said already. Name of the firewall you can give whatever. Pods record, particular pod or interest. Vivek, I don't know. You're seriously taking me some out of the range. Oh my God, what am I going to do? No worries. All are available in the Google. I can show you how you can get this as well. Network policies. Hold on. Where is that URL? I'm checking that URL now. Maybe yesterday I deleted it. Okay. So I can check in Google like this. Check பண்ணலாம். Network policy. நீங்க செக் பண்ணும்போது செக்கிங் ஸ்டைல வேற எங்கெல்லாம், ஓகேவா? செக்கிங் ஸ்டைல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நெட்வொர்க் பாலிசி பிளஸ்
OCP.
OCP plus
Access.
if you want documentation, you can mention documentation. Okay, so change பண்ணுங்க. About network policy, create a network policy, click பண்ணீங்கன்னா create a network policy, உங்களுக்கு documentation வரும். You want the latest version or not, you just move to the latest version, 14th. So create network policy. You can see that the commands what I'm showing you. So again, you will able to see that, right? You can compare it. Say hello, deny, yes or no, deny by default, deny by default. So you can check in Google everything, but the way of checking is different in both the cases. So what's the command to check like that now? It's a command. So I check it like this. If you want documentation, Vivek, I want to refer something in the Google, then this is a method you can check it out. Easy. Whatever you want, you can check like this. If you want something, solution, if you go for solution, then access.red.com. Then it will give us solutions about it, some other solutions, network policies, creative networking policy, like number of multiple things we can create here. Fine, everything going smooth. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply the network policy. So what's a pod selector, node selector? So I can explain you next chapter what is meant by pod selector and what is meant node selector. Okay, node selector helps to work on deploy on your application on the particular node. So tomorrow I can show you, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow 2 o'clock, get ready and join it. So now I'm going to apply the policy. How to apply the policy? OC create -F network. Yeah, so where it's going to apply? You have the question? Sir, no. What's your project name?
Project 2.
And how to check your network policy?
Okay, again.
And now I go to, so now you check this communication happening or not. Communication நடக்குதா இல்லையான்னு பார்க்குறீங்க. Communication is happening or not. So even apply that, even apply this, also your communication is happening. So communication happening to that project 2. Then what you have to do? Go to project 1 now. PROJC project ONE. And here you can apply again that particular firewall. And go back to the இங்க ரெண்டு இடத்துல இருக்கு. இப்போ ரெண்டு இடத்துல அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டேன். Now I can check it whether I can get the response or not. Just observe it carefully. So what happened here? I applied this deny all in both the project 1 and project 2. Actually both are in communication. But what happened? First I applied the rule to the project A and then applied it to the project B. Once I applied the because we are mentioned the pods, what are the pods are available running here and here, and not going to access it to outside world.
Here vice versa is not possible, right? A to B.
Yes, actually, if you not applied, only you applied here means it can able to communicate. Others also able to communicate, but we need to ensure it this source and destination. Then only it can be stopped. If you not mention that one, there is no point of applying the firewall. You have to mention source and destination. This is source and destination means here also you can apply it, then here also you can apply it. Example, other projects are there, other projects will communicate. But only where you apply the firewall, those are not able to communicate between them. So this is what we can apply it. If you make, then how we can do the communication? Very simple. OC, delete, network policy.
But we can give allow also, right? Instead of
Allow also available. You can see here that option also available. We have the deny all and allow all, but you want to delete it, then you can apply for the allow all. Delete the network policy and you can allow from the other policies, other network policies. Clear? So OC get network. If I give the tab button, automatically fill up network, command network policy, it automatically fill up. Okay, I can delete it. OC delete. Or policy name. So I am in each project. OC project. Now I go to OC project 1.
Project 1, right?
Yeah. I'm using project, right? Some bit confused. Okay. You can again here also you can delete it. Now we go to project 1. What's our pod name? So get pods and OC get service. I want which service? I want service of project 2. OC get service -npr4ject project 2. Why nothing is coming?
the spelling.
Project.
2. Okay, 2T.
Yes.
Okay. OC RSH / what's our pod name? 1. This is a 1, right? This is a 1, project 1. I took the project 2 call. This is a project 2 and IP of the project 2 and followed by H8. Enter. What happened here? So communication happening. So I deleted the firewall, then it's happening. That's each what you to understand here, guys. So next tomorrow we have 2 p.m. we have the session into revise the chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay, and resume preparation. I can show you anyone bring with some resume. Chennaya is already resume is there. From Chennaya resume I can do some changes. Chennaya is also a lot of times he's following me. So tomorrow I can make the changes lively. I can please share your resume before the session 1. Then I can review your resume.
Okay.
Okay. Then Yana will have some questions. From Michael also have some. Michael also want to install the OpenShift. So OpenShift installation, you want to have what's the size of RAM you have, Michael, now?
It's 32 GB.
32 GB, right?
Yeah.
32 GB RAM, Michael is have. Even if you share now, we can work on it, Michael. Will you
Yeah,
ready
sure,
to
sure.
share your screen now?
Yeah.
Please share now. Let's see, you guys. If you have the patience, you can continue. Session is over.
I also want to install, sir. I have a 12 GB RAM.
If you want to continue, you
Windows
can
12.
continue. If you want to drop, your wish. But Michael is going to share his screen. Come on, Michael. Let's share your screen.
Vivek, and in the console we were creating the clusters, right? So we are unable to create.
Clusters, huh?
Yes. No, on the local, you are showing the clusters available in the console.
No, your voice is again breaking. Do one thing. You post it in the chat window. I'm ready to answer it. Don't mind anything. We are accessing project 2 only,
No.
right?
Yeah, because in the project we are creating the nodes and pods. Now we are creating the cluster.
Okay, mothers. What is question? You understand, ma? What's the
How
question?
to create the cluster, sir?
How to create the cluster? See, guys, cluster creation is, we have already repeatedly saying that you should have 9 GB of RAM. Example, Sarita is done with the concept of 8 GB RAM. You know that one is totally system has been corrupted, and again she reinstalled her OS. Okay, so that's what happened. If you want to increase the RAM, go to the RAM slot and increase the RAM size. Okay, make it 16 GB comfortable, then we can work on it. First, we can move to Michael. Share your screen, Michael. I'm waiting for a long time. Are you there?
Yeah, I was trying to share, but I was not. Okay, yeah, it's coming now.
But Vivek, it's possible to create the cluster, not the local.
Okay. Please, I want the terminal, ma. I want the terminal. Terminal open பண்ணுங்க. அது terminal. Terminal open பண்ணுங்க.
இது இந்த Vivek. Vivek, load date ஆகுது. There's a delay, Vivek. Okay.